Number 6 has the aim to mitigate urban water challenges, ensure access to basic, safe and affordable potable water and sanitation services, and to improve the treatment of wastewater. Small satellites can introduce transparency and public accountability in the area of water resource management. So, how can we get advantage from this technology? Well, we have two options. First one being remote sensing, and the second one in situ measurements. Remote sensing with satellites enables broad and efficient monitoring of reservoir water levels, providing early warning of shortages and uniform data across different countries that share the water resources, and increasing transparency and consistency in water delivery.
I would like you to introduce to Sweetwater Air Education Technologies, a 2-unit CubeSat mission with the objective to monitor 60 freshwater lakes in Africa, an operational system that will lead a constellation of 4 satellites placed in a sun-synchronous orbit with an initial structure of around 650 kilometers. Remote sensing is useful but should be complemented with situ measurements, especially for determining water quality, since monitoring using conventional ground-based system is intensive and costly. Also, samples might not adequately represent the water quality of a given location.
Goal number 14. Conserve and sustainably use the ocean, seas, and marine resources. Earth's oceans are under threat from pollution, overfishing, and the effects of global climate change. Since billions of people on Earth are dependent on the oceans for their livelihoods and nutrition, any threat to the ocean is a direct threat to sustainable development. Nowadays, Spire Global, a private company, has launched 50 of its 3-unit CubeSats that now form a constellation providing access to over 1 million AIS messages per day.
3.
Fortunately, and as indicated in the previous topic, small satellites are playing a huge role in supporting maritime domain awareness by serving as platforms for what is called Automatic Ship Identification, AIS.
Satellites are amazing tools for observing the Earth and the big blue ocean that covers more than 70% of our planet. By remotely sensing from their orbits high above the Earth, satellites provide us much more information that would be possible to obtain solely from the surface. Information gathered by satellites can tell us about sea surface temperature, ocean color, coral reefs, and sea and lake ice. Satellites can see the sea in ways that are otherwise impossible.